Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is my loungewear outfit of the day. And I'm homebound because of this Rona going on, so I got a perfect opportunity to put on my caftans. I have a bunch of them, y'all, that I haven't been wearing. And this is straight out the pack. And I bought this one. Got this from Amazon. I'm not sure which of the other ones that me or my daughter bought, but I know I bought this one. So, starting with my hair, I have on the Rex L-part wig with yaki textured hair, straight yaki. And it's by Model or Model. I have on this gorgeous caftan with a satiny-like fabric. I have some in cotton fabric too, but I like the satiny ones better. Okay, let me get my pose on. This came from Amazon. And I will put a link down. And somebody was asking me about the size. If it doesn't say plus size, the seams are all the way out to here. And I'm a plus size woman, so it fits me and I got room to spare. So, let me get my pose on. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. And stay safe. Bye.